Welcome, in front of me I have Huawei Honor 7C and I'm gonna show you how to go through the first setup on this device. First we need to select the language. To do it, swipe up and down, right here, to scroll through the list of languages, find the language you like to use and tap on it to select it. I'm gonna select English. Now let's select the region, for example United States. You can tap on emergency call down here to call the emergency numbers if needed. And you can also tap on vision settings to access the settings for some features like magnification, gestures, and font size. Once you select the language, tap on next to continue. Here we can insert the SIM card into our device, but I'm gonna skip this step by tapping skip. Now we need to select this box next to I have carefully read and agree to above terms, check it, and tap next. Here select agree and tap next. Now we can connect to Wi-Fi. We can also skip this step by tapping skip right here. But in our case we're gonna connect to one, so let's select the network. We need to enter the password, so give. And once you enter the password, simply tap on connect to connect to the network. And then tap next. Right here we can copy apps and data from Android or iPhone cloud, as you can see. Or from the device also. But I want to set up this phone as new, so I'm gonna select set up as new. Right here we can connect to the Google account, or rather log into it. Or we can also skip this step by tapping skip, but I'm gonna log into one, so tap right here, enter the account name. Then tap next. Now we need to enter the password, so give me a few seconds. And once you're done, tap next. Here tap on I agree. Right here we can turn on and off some of the Google services by tapping the slider next to them. And once you're done, scroll all the way down and tap on the accept. Here we can set up a screen lock method for our device, but I'm gonna tap on later to skip this and then tap skip anyway. Now we can log in into Huawei ID account. You can also make a new one if you need to by tapping on register, but I'm gonna tap on later to skip this. Here again we can copy data from Huawei device, other Android device or iOS device, but I'm gonna skip this step by tapping skip and then tapping OK. We can set up a face unlock or set up password for our phone, and I'm gonna tap on skip to skip this step. Then tap on more, and now you can tap on turn on to turn on the Google Assistant if you want to, but I don't want it, so I'm gonna tap on no thanks. Tap on continue. Then tap get started. And that's how you go through the first setup on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.